Okay, so you've created an amazing landing page, you've got your URL, you're sharing it on social media, but when you share it on social media, it doesn't pull through any information like you see other people's do. It doesn't pull through right information, it pulls through a random picture, the text is weird. Let me show you what I mean. So this is my Facebook. I have copied and pasted my link for my sales page, and it's pulled through a brilliant picture, it's pulled through a link, it's pulled through a title, it's pulled through the text. But yours isn't doing that. Yours isn't pulling through anything pretty. Let me show you how to change that. So we're going to go into the dashboard of MailerLite, and we're going to go to the site that you want to change. So we're going to use this test one again. We're going to click on Overview. Down here, we're going to go to Settings, and here, Social Share. So what that means is when you share it on social media, so when you share that link anywhere, whether you do it on Facebook, on LinkedIn, this is the information it will pull through. So you will click on Edit Settings, come down to SEO settings, click on Social Share, and then you will change that to whatever you want it to be. So you will see that mine is actually what it says on there because I have set mine up. Because otherwise, sometimes when you don't do it, Facebook will just either not pull anything through, so you will just be left with this link and no nice graphic, or it will just pull through random bits from the actual page itself if you don't set all of this up in the background. So here is where you want to change that, because you can make this look really, really appealing rather than a link giving people that bit of extra information. So like I say, go into Sites, go into Overview. Let me just show you again. So Sites, overview of the page that you want to do. You're going to go down to Settings, Edit Settings. You're going to go into Social Share. You're going to edit all of that. And then you're going to make sure that you hit Save and Continue. It's amazing the amount of people that will change this, but don't scroll far enough down to click on Save. So make sure that you save and continue. And that's how it will be done. Now, it doesn't always show up instantaneously. So if you haven't done it before, and then you immediately go and change it, and then you go onto Facebook and Facebook doesn't pull it through, you need to give it a little while to populate. Also, if you've noticed that it's pulled something through and you've spelt something wrong, it might be that your system is cached. So go and try it on like a different platform. Perhaps go and try it on LinkedIn, get your partner to just try it on his Facebook or whatever. But 9 times out of 10, it won't change it straight away because it might have cached. You need to give it a chance to put it through, but it will change. But that is how you change that social share.